Hi, I'm Kevin Johnson with F&H. We're a certified SPX Flow service and repair center, and today I'll be demonstrating the proper way to install a Type 4 double seal on a Waukesha 200 series centrifugal pump. Let's look at the tools required to perform this work, and we'll get started. Now we're going to do the disassembly of the 200 series Type 4 seal. We'll start by removing the casing clamp. Casing. Casing O-ring. Remove your impeller nut using an impact. Slide your impeller off the stub shaft. Remove any shims that are on the stub shaft of the motor. Keep those for later. Now we're going to remove the seal housing, these 4 bolts. First thing you're going to remove is the seal seat. Set that aside. Next, you're going to remove your seal housing. Make sure both your O-rings stayed on there. Set aside. Here's your double seal. Remove your first rotating seal. Inspect for damage. Set aside. O-ring. Your tab washer. Spring retainer has 2 1/8-inch set screws. Loosen your set screws. Remove your spring retainer. Second tab washer. Use your back plate and impeller to remove your bottom rotating seal. Inspect for damage. Make sure your O-ring isn't torn. Set aside. Remove your seal seat. Inspect for damage. Rotate or replace if necessary. Now we're going to get into the reassembly of the Type 4 seal for the 200 series centrifugal pump. Now we're going to install our new seals. Install your seat with your L gasket and your back plate. Set that on your impeller shaft. Install your rotating seal. Lubricate your O-ring. Install using your spring seat to seat your O-ring. Once that's seated, remove your retainer. Install your tab washer, aligning your tabs with the slots on your seal. Install your spring seat, lining your tabs as well. Compress. Tighten your set screws. Install your secondary tab washer, aligning your slots with your seal retainer. Then install your O-ring, lubricated, and your secondary rotating seal, lining your slots. Make sure your O-ring is seated. Check for movement. Make sure your O-ring is in place. Install over top of your seal assembly, lining your bolt holes with the back plate. With your seal housing installed, we're going to install our retainer and seal seat. Line your bolt holes. Install your bolts. Install your shims that were on the pump previously. Take your impeller assembly, slide onto the stub shaft. Make sure it's seated. Now you're going to install your impeller nut. Tighten with an impact. Now we're ready for our casing O-ring. Before you install your casing, verify that your flush board holes are aligned with your adapter. Install your casing and your casing clamp. Once your clamp is installed and tight, check your impeller for rotation. This concludes the Type 4 double seal on the Waukesha 200 series centrifugal. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.